You know exactly what you want to say, but when it comes to speak in front of your manager, your parents, or anyone who you look up to, you completely go mute. You have your answers with you have your opinions with you, but when it comes to really open your mouth and speak, you completely go silent. If this is something that you're going through, then I think this is the right video for you, because we are uncovering today one of the reasons why you are facing this. So, hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Anusha Kanika. You can call me a friend, a coach, or maybe someone who can help you understand yourself better. So, the exact situation that I had introduced in the beginning was the situation that my client was also going through. And when we sat to explore and understand why she was going through, we came up with a beautiful answer, because she said to me that she was a great professional. My client was a great professional. She had a very good work ethic. If she takes anything, she would put everything into her. But when it come for her to rely the same to her managers or anyone superior to her, or share her opinion or ideas in front of the meeting, she would always go silent. And at that moment, she told me that she completely felt blank. Like before going to the meeting, she had everything prepared. But when she entered the meeting, the note was right in front of her, but she was not able to speak up. When we explored it further, we realized that she was not really afraid of speaking up, or she was not really afraid of expressing. In a way that when she entered into that job, she thought that she had created one beautiful image of herself in front of that manager. And she would always think that if she says something and if that hurts someone, or that is opposite to what people expected her to be, then she somehow might ruin that expectation or ruin that perfect image she had in front of her manager. And for that reason, she was not able to open her mouth and share her opinion or her ideas, or even share the updates with her manager. This is such a profound realization a person can have, because most of the time when we think about communication, we always think that if we are freezing in any important meeting, it might be because we don't know what to say, or we don't know how to communicate. But the reality it is never about whether you know how to say or what to say or how to communicate. It's more about what kind of expectation you're carrying when you are in that situation. That becomes your hindrance. And when I realized that, and when I sat and reflected on my own thing, for me it was my brother. My elder brother was an authority figure for me in my life. We really had a very beautiful relationship with each other, but when it comes for me to express or share my opinion or say something which is opposite to his opinion, I would always feel some kind of hindrance. I was not able to put that in front of him. And then it made me realize that the dots are somewhere connecting. It was never about whether he will feel bad about how I'm talking. It was more about whether I will break his trust, or I will break the perfect image which I had created in front of him. I never thought about what he wanted me to say. Rather, I thought about what he expected me to say, and that expectation always held me back. And if you're also someone who freezes or who goes silent in these kind of important conversation, then I want you to ask yourself: is this the same situation that also happens with you? This might be one of the reason why you are going silent, or you are not able to speak up, or you somehow feel like frozen in important conversation. Is this the reason? Just reflect on it and see if this is the reason. Then don't worry, it's really easy to come out of that. All you have to do is drop the expectations. I know it's not easy to say to drop the expectations, but you have to work on dropping the expectation of maintaining that perfect image, because we are human beings, we might change every day, and we need to accept that. So that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you got something from this video, then make sure to comment and like and subscribe to this channel. I would love to go through your comments, and if you need help with your communication, then feel free to reach out to me. I'll share the link in the description box. So that was it for today. Bye.